Welcome to JTECH Medical's tip for users of JTECH Northstar software and Echo devices. The tip for this month deals with registering your JTECH tools. If you're a user of JTECH devices and you are setting up your system for the first time, if you have transferred to a new computer, or if you've gotten some replacement devices or have used other devices in the past, you may need to know this because the software has to be paired with devices before they'll work properly. They have to be registered, or kind of like Bluetooth devices, they need to be bonded. So if you're going to use your JTECH system, and here I've got a couple of tests queued up, and for example, one of two things can happen if you haven't done this. First, if you're using devices, but the software immediately puts you over to keyboard entry mode, manual data entry mode, that may be an indication that you don't have a device set up. Conversely, if you go to a testing screen, you may see an error message like this. This sustained grip test doesn't have the option for keyboard entry, so you actually get an error message, and it states that no device has been registered for this test. So we're going to back out of testing mode for just a moment, and across the top menu bar, we're going to choose the Settings menu. And I've already got it selected here on the left to the Devices menu item, and you can see here that we have a list of various device names and serial numbers. And you'll notice that the two devices that I tried to perform tests for, the muscle strength tester has no device serial number here, and the same with the grip strength device. So this software does not know that there are physical tools that need to be invoked to do those tests. So I'm going to just take this grip strength device, and I am going to put in the serial number for this tool. And over to the right, you can click on the test button if you like to try it out and make sure that it works. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. You'll see the device wake up prompt like you typically do when you're using the software. It wants to have you activate that device. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on, and I'll receive a message that the grip connected successfully. So that now when we navigate back to our tests, and if I try to perform a sustained grip strength test, now the device will connect. It'll ask me for the daily zero calibration. And we're ready to go. My grip strength tester is reading data properly, and I'm ready to rock and roll for any tests that I need to do from here on out. Remember that if you change devices, you will need to put in the new serial number for the tool. Serial numbers are uniquely identifiable, so be aware if you switch out your set of tools, your software needs to be updated with those new serial numbers, and after that, everything should be ready to go. This has been your monthly tip. Thanks.